off-road Subaru.
05 Forester just blasting down this
Oh,
road.
man.
That looks like a lot of fun.
A f***ing course. These fucking cars. I've raced it, off-road it, swamped it, jumped it, rolled it, towed with it, towed with it, blown up 12 motors.
Damn.
It really says
Christ.
that.
What?
I was a
12?
negligent kid tuning Subarus. What do you expect?
I expected you to go through maybe 2 at the most.
12.
We should do cars women named Melissa would drive.
Okay, but why?
Let's do fucking registered nurse rides.
That's it.
Oops, all Nissan Rogues.
Discord, give me the RN whips.
Sentinel Hirsch, or however you say it. I knew one Melissa. She drove a cruise and got hooked on crack by the bum she was letting live in her garage. Ended up effing our boss for coke.
This was just a placeholder. This one's not one. We're not even gonna look
No,
at it.
this is a registered nurse vehicle.
Okay, 1991 Honda Accord LX sedan, $1,900, 26 weeks ago, Lutz, Florida.
Hell
Needs some
yeah.
work, like a front bumper, and it
Oh,
needs
yeah.
a tune up. It's been sitting for a long time. Ooh, Raiden?
Raiden?
Yo?
Yo?
Mortal Kombat Dragon?
Yo? Keep saying nice words to me.
This is not as bad as I thought. This is kind of sick, actually, for 1900.
For 1900.
Yeah, you can afford that on a registered nurse salary.
You gotta live the RN life, dude.
Here's some registered nurse vehicles. Perfect. A 2000 Volkswagen
yeah.
Beetle, $26.99, automatic, 108,000 miles, leather, 2 keys, clean title, 1.984 engine size.
Okay.
It's a 2-liter. Runs and drives best
Yeah.
offer. Sick pinstriping on it.
1,984 cc.
I feel like that's cheap for a Beetle.
I feel like they're all pretty worthless.
Yeah,
Especially in yellow.
Yeah, they are awful.
The turbo one's got the 1.8T, so that can't be that bad, right?
The turbo ones were fun. I've actually driven a turbo bug for I think I had it for like a week. We had it as a pool car when I first started ages ago, and like it was a fun little car.
I'd do it. I would totally buy like a turbo
for a
S.
turbo. Yeah.
I'd drive a diesel.
Does that make
They
diesel
were
bugs?
Yeah,
the
they make
turbos
TDS.
were fun, but they were also giant pieces of that did not age well.
I mean, you're just talking about the body, though, right? Isn't that engine supposed to be
Yeah.
like pretty decent?
Oh no, they're all trash. They're
All of
all.
Are they?
Yep. Oops, all
Really?
garbage.
All right. And
It
he
was-
is a Volkswagen
I
guy, so I'll believe
you.
it.
Yeah, I believe
No, I
it.
would not with one of these. A host of issues. Also, like what the was it? Like the sunroof falling apart. All the adhesive, and there was some weird ass compound
Oh, yeah.
that started smelling like crayons as it starts to degrade. It's just.
I thought
not
German
a
cars
good
just
car.
smelled like crayons. Isn't that a thing?
Yeah, that's just
No.
That's how
Yeah,
they
Yeah,
all
that's just how they
smell.
are.
That's what
I can
Germans
still smell
like.
my dad's Mercedes like right now.
This is a good nurse vehicle. I'd give it to this guy. This guy
Oh
doesn't
yeah,
have to be
yeah,
banned.
yeah. No,
No,
No, absolute
He's
nursery
good.
vehicle though.
he's in.
I never with a registered nurse that rides that.
No,
But you could see a registered nurse driving it, though, right?
Not any that I know.
I'm with you, Feed. I don't know how many nurses he knows, but this is absolutely quirky, weird, and cheap enough for a nurse to drive.
And Necker don't know any nurses. He hates Puerto Ricans.
Necker only knows night shift nurses, dude.
Hey.
Hey, that one landed. All right. 1999 Lexus RX 300.
Yeah, we did. Yeah, no, you're not
Yeah.
wrong. Yeah.
You are now breathing manually. Like, subscribe, and hype to help this channel grow. Thank you.
What is with the AI generated wheels?
Oh, yeah.
It
No,
just looks
the
like
tires.
AI slop. The tires, I mean.
The tires.
Yeah.
Yeah, the
does
white,
look like AI
he
slop,
added
yeah.
lettering to it and then rubbed it off. Is that what's
Or
going
just-
on?
Yeah, it's just
curb the
coming off.
out of it.
His
Who
wife,
knows?
his wife drove it.
Yes, the Japanese anime Domo and Secret Life of Pets stuff will be removed. Ha ha. It's a Toyota Harrier. Toyota XU10 Toyota Harrier, a bunch of inspired. I don't know what any of that means.
That
It's a
first line, all
RX.
it's missing.
Is that
fir-
maybe it's the car in Japan?
that first line, all it's missing is the ha ha ... unless.
Yeah.
And then like the face, the smirking face.
Yeah.
Dude. Remove it before the pictures, dude. Just take it off.
Yeah.
If you're selling the car, take it off now.
No, this is he's not actually selling this car. He just wants to find somebody else who's into all of this goofy ass like he is. Oh.
Domo's everywhere.
No.
God.
Dude,
Oh, that's a
Domo
lot of
dice. Yo.
Yo.
And he
That's
has
actually pretty fun.
he has the
What's
freaking goon napkins right there.
Oh, it's a
He's
roll
ready
of
to go.
paper
Is that a-
towels, yeah.
What's up with the camera? Is that a camera on the headrest facing
I
backwards?
was gonna ask.
It's
Oh,
for the
this guy said
backup
camera.
this is an Uber for sure.
No, the camera
Yeah.
up on the
And the
the
towels?
rearview
Like,
mirror.
is this some sort of like fake
Oh,
taxi
maybe
with the
it
paper
is.
towels
That's
in the
a
middle?
screen.
Yeah, no, I see what you're saying.
Yeah, you
Vukos
can
is right. I
film
think
and you
that's
have
the-
cleanup.
It has VIP junction produce curtains for the rear, so you can black it out.
You gotta ban this guy because this person is not only not a nurse, they don't have a job.
This person is unironically a night shift nurse, 100%.
No, they're not. Ain't no way.
No.
Gas station
No.
attendant.
At best.
I mean, I'm kind of seeing that this could maybe be a lift with all of the
Yeah.
helpful
Yeah.
accessories.
Bro,
like,
you order a lift and this pulls up?
I'd be pissed.
Hell no.
No,
you
I'd
don't
be
get
yeah.
canceling
it.
that ride.
cares?
Cancel.
I'd tell them to roll the windows
like-
down, and I'd go next, and then just walk back inside.
Go back to the front seat, and I like the optimistic thinking with the club there. Like anyone's gonna try to steal that thing.
Is that what this is?
Oh.
Yeah.
And he accessorized
do you-
nicely. Got the
just-
nice weather techs.
Ask him how much as it is with all the goofy.
He's selling it without all the goofy.
How much with all this shit? There you go.
Yeah.
Oh.
What is?
That's
we
a
didn't
nice
even,
beer.
He's got some. He's
we didn't
got
even
some,
touch
like,
on this.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
JDM, dude. That's how they do it in Japan.
In the lip? Like
The
what?
lip, yes.
Because I think in Japan that car is called a Harrier.
I believe
and that's
it.
what he was coping with.
There's a toe strap
And
on
is
it.
that an F Sport badge on it too? Because that
Yes.
definitely did not
JDM
exist in '99.
JDM Harrier fender mirror.
Oh,
Yeah.
All right.
it does. It has LED lights in the running board as well.
And the JDM front diffuser.
Yeah, it has a
Lip.
wings. It
It's
has a
held on
wings
with a
west lip
ratchet
on it.
strap.
Oh wow! Look at that grill though too. What?
Yeah, it's a Harrier, bro. Dude,
Uh-huh.
oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know you guys didn't know about Harriers. Yeah, that's okay. Hey, Neckgear, the numbers are 520 if you want to ban this guy.
520. Yeah, got it.
Enjoy your band.
Go your vacation.
Your vacation.
2013 Nissan Juke. $2,900, East Rockaway, New York. 140,000 miles, runs and drives great, clean tile, ready to go, roof rack, and that's rust.
Oh, that is
It's like someone's
not
been
looking
munching
good.
on the hood.
Yeah,
Wildlife has been eating the hood.
the gremlins.
Oh my god. I kind of feel bad when like you get weirdos' hopes up.
Anyway, the Juke, right?
What is that roof rack? What the fuck?
Yeah, it's like a.
Did he build that out of plywood and 4x4s?
Yeah, I've never seen one with sides.
That's
That's,
this dude built it out of wood.
Enhance.
No, well, not hands.
There's roof racks like that, but I don't. That one looks kind of homemade.
It's a thick boy.
Damn.
Weird, dude. Like, and like with the roof, like with it slanting backwards, I mean, it's just how do you tie anything down to this?
You don't.
Well, it's because
you
it's
don't.
the
It's a full
crossbars
light
are
bar.
supposed to be below it. Like that is a legitimate style of a roof rack.
This is just to hold the light bar up.
yeah, but that you can even see the screws where he screwed it
This is
the
pieces. Yeah, it's a
the
piece
pieces
of wood.
together. Yeah.
I just can't see what a nurse is doing with. Nurses
Putting
drive
3 kids through
Jukes.
college. That's what.
Hey, go to the interior, the front seats.
Great beat.
It's annihilated.
Jesus.
Magnitude 8.5 fart quake. This thing's ruined.
It looks like this is made out of a t-shirt.
Melissa sat in that thing.
Oh man, that's a good joke. That
Stormed right through there.
Do they all have center exhausts on the Jukes?
Yes.
I don't
No,
know.
they do.
Okay.
They all got buttholes.
Where else are you gonna put them?
Not in
It doesn't
the middle.
look like they'll go anywhere else.
Yeah, it does look like it's kind of made for it. I guess that's right. It struck me as odd. These are ugly.
Yeah, they're not great at all. They all have CVTs. I think some of them were all-wheel drive, but like no.
They did have a manual option, but yeah, the rest.
We've
were
seen
CVTs.
manual Jukes before.
Yeah, Juke R, right?
Yeah.
Or
I
Juke-
think the
Juke-
RS
something else.
and
The Juker.
the Nismo one you could get with a
Yeah,
stick.
the Juke
Yeah.
Nismo RS.
I think you could actually get every trim in a stick because you can get base models too. Anyway,
is
The
the Juke
Jukers.
R the name of the one that has like the GTR engine in it?
Yeah.
Okay.
yes, of which
Understood.
they don't
Juker.
exist basically.
Yeah, it's basically you can only drive it in Gran Turismo. Yeah, this is 100% a registered nurse vehicle.
90,000 miles, 2017 Land Rover Range Rover Evoque HSE SUV that runs and drives excellent. Backup camera, heated seats, panorama sunroof, everything works. Clean inside and out, well maintained, no issues at all. Clean title, it has approximately 90,000 miles. That's good as dead for a Range Rover.
And look
Yep.
at the price. It's ridiculous. $10,000. Like it's worthless.
You know, some nurse just bought this. Like she just bought this. I'm gonna get my check and like I'm gonna have
Put
the
the
Range
entire
Rover.
thing on the car.
I'm pretty sure this came from. I don't remember when that partnership stopped, but there was a significant amount of time where Ford was putting EcoBoost motors into these.
Oh, yo.
But they
Do
weren't
I like
being
these?
called. but they weren't called EcoBoosts like this
Based?
because there was a
Evoque based
I don't
man
know.
car.
I don't know when the partnership stopped, but there was for a significant amount of time EcoBoost motors in these.
Land Rover ST, is that what you're saying?
Essentially, yeah.
Was it the 3.5 or was it every other
No,
EcoBoost?
it was the 2-liter.
Oh, dude.
It was legit the little one, the
Could you-
4-banger.
Did they make these in a stick?
I have
No.
no idea.
Hell
I don't believe
no.
so.
No way.
No
Yeah,
way.
it was
right?
the time. It was the time when Ford owned Jaguar or had some deal with them, like they were partnered or whatever. But yeah, a lot of the
the X type era.
Yeah, I don't know when that stopped. I don't know when they stopped putting those motors in this.
Go to the rear view, the reflection.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You know who she looks like.
I bet you're gonna tell us.
The f***ing lady from Tom and Jerry.
Yeah, dude.
God damn.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like the lady that owns Tom.
She does.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
God
There's his
damn.
paw print right there. I don't know if that's acceptable to say in current year.
Hey, dude, that's what it
history.
is, man.
It's
It is
just
what it
history,
is.
man.
There you go, Dr. Mutiny.
God, I'm not putting it in the YouTube video. It's funny and it's no. Here's a video.
just put the disclaimer at the beginning, like what Disney did to cop out. You know.
Oh, the things were different.
Things were
Yeah.
different.
This was
then.
originally recorded in October 29, 2025. Things were different for our country back then.
Rare off-road Subaru. Very rare.
Unheard of. 05 Forester just blasting down this
Oh,
road.
man.
That looks like a
yeah.
lot of fun.
This car is amazing.
Jeez.
If it's perfect. If you want one car to do everything, there, of course. Course. These cars. I've raced it, off-road it, swamped it, jumped it, rolled it, towed with it, rolled it, towed with it, blown up 12 motors.
Damn.
It really
Jesus
says
Christ.
that.
What?
It says that. I was a
12?
negligent kid tuning Subarus. What do you expect?
I expected you to go through maybe 2 at the most. You should have stopped
12?
at 10
12?
ago. 10 ago. What?
How
This
much
dude-
money in that is just in long blocks?
These
Jesus,
pictures
12?
rule, dude.
Yeah, they
Yeah,
do.
they do.
Untime out this guy. This is a pretty good listing. It's
He's
Alright,
cool.
alright.
It's not a nurse thing. but
race
he's cool.
day piece of with 12 motors in it, towing a 1G
Towing a
DSM.
DSM.
This dude hates driving cars.
This guy's hates it.
Dude can swap the engine with his blindfold on.
You know he made it up that
Oh, you
Yes,
know.
Yeah, and he
100%.
changed an engine the whole way.
Oh no!
Oh.
Holy Jesus!
No wonder he
Holy
only wants $3,000.
Please tell me the next picture continues.
This guy
kinda.
rules.
Yeah, he rolled it. He wasn't
Oh
kidding.
my god!
No, that was just a quick roadside
that.
engine
He even
change.
got-
This
What he
guy's
was doing.
bad.
To ride
Badass.
along with him.
This picture is
know.
badass.
Yeah.
Like, you should have that framed on your wall, seller. That's a good one.
This is
I'm gonna frame it on
this
my
is like
wall.
something they'd put.
Yeah.
You know what? You know what it reminds me of? The Isuzu picture I posted the other day from the catalog.
Yeah, with the dude cheesing in there.
Yeah, like this belongs in the Forester the Forester brochure.
Can you link
Let me
that
let me
picture?
put that
so-
picture.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm
I'll
gonna
put it
need
in the podcast right now.
Damn,
In
this is-
podcast boys.
The car is this is a
The
cool
boys are
set of
coming out.
pictures. The boys are all here.
Boys
I mean,
are out.
dude.
This is
That was right before you
insane.
had to replace another engine. In
Yeah.
the little lake.
Each one of these
Yeah.
photos is an engine.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Ah,
You
sick.
know why he's smiling? Because he just replaced the engine.
Dude, he's about to
He's
replace the
towing
engine in that Sea-Doo Sportster too. That's
Yeah.
those are time bombs. Yeah, this guy
Yeah.
hates that
Dude can
runs.
swap engines one-handed.
I do love these Foresters. God damn.
Okay, I put it.
And it's only $3,000. I
This is
mean,
him breaking in a new engine.
getting ready for the next one. Yeah,
but at this point you have to know he's probably got like 2 or 3 that he's just perpetually building up to swap into the next one.
Hell yeah, this guy.
This dude is in the Isuzu zone, 100%.
He's in
Isuzu.
a Isuzu zone.
That's what it feels like to chew Isuzu zone.
Yeah.
where were we here?
That's
Past
those
that.
long desert miles.
And that's only this represents less than 10% of the engines that have been in this car. Don't buy.
It's
Don't,
just-
don't f- with
it's the
Subarus,
Subaru.
folks.
It runs, right?
For now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just
Ask him if it comes with a spare
I
motor.
mean, do the math, okay? Like,
Dude, it has 20,000 miles on a motor.
it's like a oil change on this thing.
God damn.
Yeah.
Like back in the day, it used to be like, I need to do an oil change, drop an SR. And this guy living it.
I mean, to be fair, this car has lived 10 lives.
At least.
What a listing. Thank you for showing us this. This was a good one.
This is wild.